one.
Not everybody has it.
One day, Focus Alocus will return home. He is still preparing the tea because we are become afternoon for tea.
What's coming? Let's prepare the tea. The chocolate in the plate, some lemonade. We don't have any. I'm going to buy lemonade. Focus, don't touch the chocolate.
No, Focus.
You won't touch the chocolate, will you?
No, I don't want that the chocolate.
We see you in a minute.
Okay, goodbye.
Focus Lotus sit in the chair and we stay so with the chocolate.
This bit is for Rat. This bit is for Focus. This bit is for me. And this bit is for nobody. So I need it. Delicious. So now, this bit is for Rat. This bit is for Focus. This bit is for me, so it's for me. I like it. Good. Now, this bit is for Rat, and this bit is for Focus. It's right. But this bit is so big. So I like it. And now this bit is too big. So I like it. And these two big are very small. So I like it. I have stomach ache. I have a ear in my tummy.
Hello, Lotus. I bought the lemonade. What's wrong with you?
I have a pain.
You are ill. You must go to bed.
Okay.
Is that better?
No, I'm cold.
Is that better?
I want a pillow.
Is that better?
I want my teddy bear.
Is that better?
Yes, thank you.
I'm going to phone the doctor.
The doctor?
Yes, because you are ill. 1, 4, 6, 6, 8, 9.
Ring.
Yes, hello, doctor. This is Focus. Lotus is ill. He has a stomach ache.
find the other piano.
Where is the doctor?
Oh no! Hocus, help me please!
Muri?
Hello, Hocus.
Alright, it's you. I'm sorry, not to see speed.
Okay, that present is for Lotus.
I'm going. Goodbye. It wasn't the doctor, it was Waka, and she wrote a piano for you.
A present for me? That's okay. Oh no, chocolate! Did you like the story? Okay, now Asiera and Neri are going to sing the chocolate song. Please give a big hand. Hello, do you like the song?
Because we are going to sing the song.
The song name is The Chocolate Song.
Do you know what color are these?
Very good. And do you know what is this? Okay, very well. Now we're going to sing a song. And then we sing all together. Chocolate, chocolate, I like chocolate, 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 brown. Chocolate, chocolate, I like chocolate, anytime, day or night. Stick to it, stick it to that. You will see if you eat too much. Okay, now we're going to sing all together. Chocolate, I like chocolate, 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 brown or white. Chocolate, chocolate, I like chocolate, anytime, day or night. Stick to it, stick it to that. You will see if you eat too much. Chocolate, chocolate, I like chocolate, 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 brown or white. Chocolate, chocolate, I like chocolate, anytime, day or night. Stick to it, stick it to that. You will see if
please. Do you know to count to 1 to 10? Okay. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. So, we are going to have a leader. Here I'm going to say the leader. Okay, we have to sing the chocolate song and pass the parrot song. When me say stop, the person has the parcel, she has to stand up and start opening one paper, but only one. Okay? So we start, okay? Okay, stand up. What's your name? Okay, Mano. When the other people count to 1 to 10, you have to open one, but only one paper. Okay? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, those are perfect. What's it?
Act like a monkey for 10 seconds.
Okay, Manu, when we start singing song, you have to pass the person of your right. Okay? Okay, Norbert. When the people count to 1 to 10, you have to open one paper, but only one. Okay, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Chocolate, I like chocolate, brown or white. Chocolate, I like chocolate, anytime, day or night. Speak it to
One.
Ready? Angie, okay. Now we are going to play again with the rest. First, we need a leader. I'm going to be the leader.
Me, I'm going to go catching Mujer saying chocolate, 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 chocolate. And when the leader says box, I next stop. And that two that they are touch the first, they are going to straight.
Me, for example, I said 4 blue Smarties and 3 red. And you vote the fast possible or check the table. And if they are correct, you can eat it. But if they not, you will play.
You know the numbers from 1 to 10?
Yes.
And the color?
Yes.
So let's go to review.
What are the colors? What color?
So let's start it.
Chocolate, 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 chocolate.
So chocolate, 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 chocolate.
The first two. No, no.
Chocolate, 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 chocolate. Okay, you have to take 4 cosmetics and 2. Now we are going to create chocolate rind cream. Give a big hand to Irati, Eleder, and Mika. Angela, voice affairs. My name is Irati.
My name is Eleder.
My name is Mika.
We're going to play a game.
The new chocolate is the chocolate rind cream. We are going to give the medallions.
But first, we're going to say the chocolate types.
This is the dream chocolate. This is a chocolate cake. This is a chocolate biscuit. This is a chocolate bar. And this is a chocolate ice cream. We are going to start giving the medallions. Do you know what it is?
What is this?
A chocolate and chocolate. Do you know what this is? Milky chocolate. Do you know what is this? Do you know what is this?
Do you know what is this?
Ice cream.
Do you know what is this? Do you know what is this? Do you know what is this?
Chocolate bar.
Do you know what is this? Do you know what is this? You have us.
We are going to repeat. This is a chocolate ice cream. What is this? Chocolate ice cream. And this? Chocolate. And this? Chocolate biscuit. And this? Chocolate. And this? Chocolate.
Me, I'm going to say one chocolate type. For example, chocolate cakes. And the chocolate cakes, they have to stand up and do the middle.
The chocolate ice creams. No, verdad. Chocolate cake. Chocolate drinks. Drinking. Chocolate bar. Chocolate biscuit.
Chocolate cake. Chocolate cake. You are going to receive Christmas. And you are something.
Choco. Chocolate ice cream.
You are the winner. Choose an artist.
Choco. Chocolate green tea.
Chocolate biscuit. Choose an artist. Chocolate bar. Sit down is one circle.
We finished the rain. Dale medallas, please.
Did you have a good time?
Yes.
Finally, all the class, we are going to sing rap imitations.